Hey there, welcome back to Engaugea. Today we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of personal development, self-confidence. Whether you're looking to excel in your career, build stronger relationships, or simply feel better about yourself, developing self-confidence is key. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to boost your self-confidence and cultivate a mindset that empowers you to thrive. So, let's get started. Step 1. Understand your worth. Recognize your strengths, talents, and achievements. Practice self-compassion and embrace your imperfections as part of what makes you unique. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. Step 2. Set achievable goals. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Celebrate your progress along the way to keep yourself motivated. Don't be afraid to adjust your goals as needed, and remember that setbacks are a natural part of the process. Step 3. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth occurs outside of your comfort zone, so don't be afraid to take risks. Start with small challenges and gradually increase the level of difficulty. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, rather than a reflection of your worth. Step 4. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Prioritize activities that recharge and rejuvenate you, whether it's exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Set boundaries and learn to say no to things that drain your energy or detract from your self-confidence. Step 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Limit exposure to negative influences, whether it's toxic relationships, social media comparisons, or self-doubt. Seek out mentors or role models who inspire you to reach for your highest potential. Step 6. Focus on progress, not perfection. Shift your focus from achieving perfection to making progress. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from your mistakes. Remember that self-confidence is a journey, not a destination, so be patient with yourself. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to developing self-confidence. By understanding your worth, setting achievable goals, stepping out of your comfort zone, practicing self-care, surrounding yourself with positivity, and focusing on progress, you can unlock your full potential and live a more fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Engaugea for more content on personal growth and development. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay confident.